Welcome to MqlrobotEAs, and in this video, we'll explore the logic behind one of the simplest yet highly adaptable expert advisors, the dynamic EMA cross EA built using FXdreema. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced EA trader, understanding how your algorithm makes decisions is essential before using it on a live account. Let's take a look inside. The overview of strategy logic. This EA is based on a classic strategy, exponential moving average EMA crossover, where buy and sell signals are generated when two EMAs cross each other. The setup includes a fast EMA, a slow EMA, a condition to check if the fast EMA crosses above or below the slow EMA, trade execution based on that signal. But what makes this EA dynamic is the addition of custom position sizing and an optional auto lot system. How the logic flows. FXdreema structure. The logic begins on every new tick, but filters execution once per bar to avoid multiple orders. We see both buy and sell logic separated clearly. If the fast EMA crosses above the slow EMA, a buy order is triggered. If the fast EMA crosses below, a sell order is triggered. Each path includes a check for whether auto lot is enabled. If enabled, it uses a formula to calculate position size dynamically based on account balance. Otherwise, it uses a fixed lot size set in the input parameters. The core logic blocks include conditions for crossover, trade timing control, lot size calculation, trade execution. It's a clean, efficient structure, ideal for learning, modifying, or scaling. Input parameters. This EA comes with 9 adjustable inputs: lot, fixed trading lot size, EMA fast, EMA slow, periods for moving averages, SL, TP, stop loss and take profit in points, auto lot, true or false, lot X and divide value, used to scale dynamic lot sizes. This allows flexibility across multiple account types and risk profiles. Important usage notes. Before using any EA, including this one, always remember, understand the strategy logic. Don't just run it blindly. Know what conditions trigger trades and how risk is controlled. Adjust your risk settings. Always test lot size, SL, and TP in line with your personal risk tolerance. Backtest with 99.9% tick data. This is critical. Low-quality backtests can give misleading results. Use real tick data to verify performance before going live. No EA is plug and play. Market conditions change, so periodic re-optimization and monitoring are essential. Final thoughts. The MqlrobotEAs, dynamic EMA cross, is a solid foundation for beginners to understand algorithmic trading and for advanced users to build upon. We've kept this EA simple, transparent, and easy to modify. If you want to explore more, visit our full EA library and check out our backtesting EAS playlist right here on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.